Top Jamaican banks and financial institutions. Jamaican banks offer an extensive array of banking services, but perhaps the main services are concentrated under three types of institutions: commercial banks, credit unions, and building societies. In this video, I will tell you about the services offered by the major financial institutions in Jamaica. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica. I'm Alex, and if it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. With no further ado, let's move right into the video. First, we'll be looking at commercial banks. Jamaica has 7 commercial banks, as categorized by the Bank of Jamaica as of February 28, 2017. These include the Bank of Nova Scotia, Jamaica Limited, First Caribbean, Citibank, First Global, RBTT Jamaica Limited, Pan Caribbean, and the National Commercial Bank. Number 1. The Bank of Nova Scotia. The Bank of Nova Scotia provides many personal solutions, including accounts and plans, credit cards, insurance products, loans, internet banking, investment products, among other services. Its business service entails corporate and commercial banking, small business loans, cash management, and international trade support. Such services has led the BNS to be Jamaica's leading financial institution. Number 2. The National Commercial Bank. The National Commercial Bank is also one of the top Jamaican banks. Started in Jamaica when the Colonial Bank of London commenced operation in Kingston in 1837. In 1925, it was acquired by the Barclays Bank, and by 1977, the Jamaican government, acquiring all the shares of Barclays Bank, changed the name to the National Commercial Bank Jamaica Limited. Since 2002, NCB has been acquired and managed by AIC, Canada's largest privately held mutual fund company. Their services includes variety of banking, wealth management, and insurance. Number 3. First Caribbean. First Caribbean is a major Caribbean bank offering full-range market-leading financial services in corporate, retail and investment, wealth management, credit cards, treasury sales, and trading. It is the largest regionally listed bank in the English-speaking Caribbean, with assets over US $10.9 billion and market capitalization of US $2.5 billion. Number 4. Citibank. Citibank also enjoys a market space in Jamaica. Its products and services includes cash management, international trade, treasury, corporate finance, loans, and asset-based finance. Citibank, formerly known as the First National City Bank of New York, first opened its doors in Jamaica September 1960. Initially, it began operations as a commercial bank, but later focused on a special banking concept called corporate banking that was fully established in 1981. Now, let's take a look at credit unions. 3 of the most popular credit unions in Jamaica are City of Kingston Cooperative Credit Union, the Montego Bay Cooperative Credit Union, and the Churches Cooperative Credit Union. Number 1. Churches Credit Union. Churches Cooperative Credit Union has been a member of the Jamaica Cooperative Credit Union League since 1977 and has been in existence since 1971. They are the second largest credit union in Jamaica and third largest in terms of asset base. Number 2. City of Kingston Cooperative Credit Union. City of Kingston Cooperative Credit Union currently manage a multi-billion portfolio of Jamaican 5.24 billion in savings and Jamaican 6.65 billion in assets on behalf of just over 213 clients. This makes them the largest credit union among the 52 credit unions in Jamaica and the 320 in the Caribbean. It has been in existence since 1967 and offers products such as health and debt insurance, legal services, cambio, remittance, and a discount program with 52 participating stores. Now we'll take a look at the most popular building societies in Jamaica. The most popular building societies in Jamaica are the Jamaican National Building Society and the Victoria Mutual Building Society. From as early as 1867, the concept of the building society was introduced to Jamaica to assist working middle-class people in realizing their dream to own their own home. In the ensuing years, a number of building societies sprung to life, and in the year 1865, an Act for the Regulation and Encouragement of Benefit Building Societies was passed. Number 1. The Jamaican National Building Society. The Jamaican National Building Society is ranked among Jamaica's largest financial institutions, offering a blend of financial services and mortgage plans to customers living in Jamaica, the USA, the UK, Canada, and the Cayman Islands. Number 2. The Victoria Mutual Building Society. The Victoria Mutual Building Society is also well established and has a long-standing name on our island. Its products and services include mortgages and loan options, savings and deposit options, and the gift certificates. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I do hope you found this video interesting. If so, please leave a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica and click the notification icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.